Hey, welcome. I just wanted to record this quick video to give you an update. We've made a lot of changes to the Tube Relevance program. In particular, the Tube Relevance training, we call it now the Tube Relevance Foundation, and the foundational training is on YouTube. We've also added the entire webinar replays of the source material that led to it, and I've recorded a special 8-minute video that goes deep into that, and that's coming up next. Go ahead and explore the members area, and please reach out to me once you've done so inside of our Tube Relevance Skype group. Now you might ask, why Skype? Well, I've tried various tools over the years, and I found that Skype seems to be the simplest way for me to keep track and serve everyone with the fastest response time. And the biggest reason for that is no one else is using Skype. You'll find that you probably don't have a lot of activity on your Skype. I have a lot of activity on my Skype, but I can manage. I have more than 2,000 Skype friends, and you probably will only have one Skype friend, me, when you join. Click over to the Skype group, say hello, download the app, and if you're on a Mac, you can also go to web.skype.com in your browser, and make sure you enable notifications so that when I reply back to you, you'll get a message. Very important, you minimize your notifications. That's why I have all my notifications turned off on my phone and my mobile devices, except for Skype, because that's where our software development team that builds our members areas, that builds our software, that builds our search engine, that's where I communicate with everyone on my team. And I have also a special training that I recorded on how to use Skype for your business. So I hope that you enjoy the new Tube Relevance. Please proceed with the introduction to the 3.0 version.